Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the smart traffic control system using Python and parking management system and the vehicle counting and detection part. So let's go with the smart traffic system. So you have to upload the input videos for the all the 4 lanes. Okay, we are selecting the videos for the lane 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then click on the check it out. So it will show with the priority, like it will count the lane and the priority and the vehicles, like vehicle 17 with the 24-second and the priority 3 in lane 2. It will also show the emergency vehicle, like if there are any ambulance or other vehicles. So this will be the vehicle detection and counting. It will detect the car and count the number of vehicles. It will classify like car, truck, motorcycle, buses in the upward and downward direction. So this project developed using Python programming language and machine learning model used to train the model. It will identify the car and count the total number of car passing through that particular lane. So it will classify both in the upward and downward direction. So all the three projects combine in the single module. After that, it will be the parking slot detection part. Okay, now this is the parking management system where it will show the real time statics, like total space is 12, available space is 6 and the occupied space is 6. Make the boundary box in the green color if the parking slot is empty, or if the parking slot is occupied, so it will show in the red color, and it will show the zone status. So this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.